Okay, so we labeled our outside of the cell and we labeled the inside of the cell. So now on our paper, the first one is put all the proteins except for the blue transport protein onto the cell membrane. So we need to have 7 water molecules inside the cell. Okay, so we put 7 molecules inside the cell. Okay, so we have 7 water molecules inside the cell. And now we need 3 water molecules outside the cell. Okay, so now we put 3 outside. Okay, so it should look like that. And now we need to put all the proteins except for the blue transport protein. Okay, so we need to put a channel protein on there and an aquaporin protein. Okay, so your cell membrane should look like that for the first question. So now we need to move the molecules so they're equal on both sides. So concentration after the transport. Okay, so we need to move some of these molecules. So some of the molecules can just freely move across the membrane. And some can use the help of the aquaporin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our answer, there are 5 water molecules inside the cell, and there are 5 water molecules outside of the cell. So check the types of transport that happened. So was that simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, active transport, or osmosis? Well, because it was the movement of water molecules, it is osmosis. And because they can just freely move across the membrane, so it would be simple diffusion. And because we have this help of the channel protein, so that is facilitated diffusion. Okay?